This will be an unboxing video of a 1911A1 that I purchased from the Civilian Marksmanship Program, also known as the CMP. It's a government organization that sells surplus military firearms, mostly known for their 1911s, their M1 Garands. I believe sometimes they have 1903 Springfields and P17s as well, but those seem to have run dry. You may find those in their store. It can kind of be a tricky process to order from them compared to just buying it online from some of the other retailers, but it's certainly worth it. You'll get a big cost savings over purchasing, especially from some of the online auction sites. And you also have the added benefit of knowing that this is government surplus, so it hasn't been modified or changed quite a bit by previous civilian owners. So what you're getting is pretty much what you're going to get off of the rack. And the 1911s can have a little bit of a long period to be able to purchase them. I got on the wait list. It took a few months, and then I got a call letting me know that my number was selected to purchase a 1911. And I was given the option of all the grades in their website. I decided to go with the highest grade, the service grade, just because I probably only get one of these, so I wanted to get a really nice one. But they do have other grades that are a little cheaper, but the price differences aren't really that much. So I'll go ahead and open it up and see what I got. See, it comes in this really nice hard case. Looks like a Pelican case basically, but looks pretty nice. Comes with a little certificate of authenticity in here. You can see it's in a nice foam cutout. So you can see here it's got the stamp M1911A1 U.S. Army, as well as the United States property stamp with the serial number. Looks like this is a Colt frame. It was produced in 1942. You can also tell this is going to be a Colt slide just because of the two-tone there. Grip looks pretty good. Grip on the other side looks pretty good too. No cracks, chips, or anything. It's got some pretty good markings on the slide here too. See, it's a Colt frame. A lot of times these markings get worn out over time just through use and holster wear. It does have a mark here, looks like, from being taken down. Does have a little bit of finish wear, but nothing significant. Certainly what I'd expect from surplus. Certainly in pretty good condition. Also comes with a magazine. Just a standard 1911 magazine. Safety works pretty well. These 1911s do have a grip safety, so if you're not holding it on the grip, pulling the trigger won't drop the hammer. You actually have to put down the grip safety in order to put the hammer forward. So by holding the grip, pulling the trigger, that'll actually put the hammer forward. Does look like the barrel has a different serial number than the frame. Pretty much all these are going to be some kind of mix of different serial numbers. But you do have the added benefit of knowing that these did come from military stockpiles. The 1911s were used for decades, so this probably saw service in World War II, during the Korean War, even Vietnam. So these are definitely well-used pistols. So taking a closer look at the pistol here, you can see it's got, looks pretty decent here on the slide. Barrel doesn't appear to be worn. Does have a pretty smooth slide here. So setting all this aside, we'll see what's underneath this foam. The foam's pretty tight fit, but you can see they give you this technical manual. As well as a lock Does look pretty interesting. It's likely a reprint, but it's good they include a manual with it, especially the original TM. Looks like this one's a 1960s date. It's also just a really deep case, so you could put your pistol away in your safe, and then you could repurpose this to carry optics or any other kind of items that you want to protect from damage. You could just either use this foam insert and cut it out for whatever it is you're trying to protect, or you could simply just put things in here that you want to stow away and keep organized. So it's definitely a pretty nice case that gets thrown in for you. So I hope this quick video would be helpful for you deciding whether or not you want to purchase a 1911 from the Civilian Marksmanship Program. I do plan to take it apart, clean it, and do a range video of this, show you how it shoots. But certainly for the price, it's a good deal. You can get a really nice 1911, likely World War II vintage, for under $1,500. Some of the grades getting down to just over $1,000. So, I mean, it's not cheap, but it's certainly cheaper than if you go online and look at other sources, if you can even find them. A lot of people tend to hold on to these pistols, so there's not a large resale market for these at any kind of reasonable price. If you have any questions about this pistol, feel free to drop them in the comments. I have a few more videos coming out for some CMP items, as well as range videos as well. So if you'd like to see those, feel free to sign up for alerts, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.